Hello guys and welcome to a new case. Today I will be doing the Excel Athlete Basic case from the Brazilian chapter of the Microsoft Excel World Championship. It's kind of an easy case, but I see here there's some map stuff, probably not too hard. But anyways, it was translated into English and it is available for free at the MEWC shop. I will link it in the video description, so you can give this case a try. It's especially for like guys that haven't had too much experience with the Excel esports stuff. So here, let's jump right into it. Okay, this sounds like either left or mid. Okay, so you see here, super easy stuff. You should sum the numbers, so it's sum minus minus text split, and it is enough if you only type in the character, because the minus minus will get rid of all the spaces that are not necessary. Too large. Oh. Reading is not my beloved one, so some large. I don't know if large will spill. Yeah, large will spill. Okay, so basically splitted all the numbers out and then summed the largest and the second largest. So I created here an array for the largest and the second largest. Okay. What is the column number? So column indirect is the thing you need to have here. Otherwise, you probably also have a lambda for this, but I haven't imported my lambdas. How many times does the requested character appears? It's a len this minus len substitute this and substitute this out against nothing. You see basic stuff here. For each question, perform sum of the numerical chain. Oh, the occurrence of this number. They're all single numbers, so I don't need to pay attention for like something like 10. So I do this times the number. And you would need to pay attention for this if there's like something like a 10 in here, because then you would also count the 10 as a 1, for example. What is the value of on the map? It's an indirect map, and this here and here. Oh, okay. Okay, we have only above or below. So let's row first reference to this like they would like it, then column indirect. Now we can use ref. Row is row indirect ref, and yeah, then if this equals above, then -1, otherwise 1. And now P for, or yeah, I don't know, name this P, because I will add this, and then address, row number is R plus P, column number is C, sheet text is map. And then we want to have an indirect, and done. Okay, so far 7 levels solved. We can now go to those questions. Reading questions 1 to 10. How many times does the how many times does the letter E appears in your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Questions 11 to 30. Which question number has the highest value? So it's a max lookup, x lookup max for the answers, returning the question number. Yep. 22. Among the level 3 answers, excluding the example, what is the result of multiplying the largest even answer by the smallest odd answer? Okay. Max filter. It was level 3, right? Alright, no. Level named range max filter level is even level multiplied with the same for min and is odd. Okay, weird stuff. Value error. Okay. I get here. Those are only numbers. Okay, let's do this manual. I don't know where this wasn't working. And now I wasn't aware that this even cannot work with arrays. Here we go. Now you know, how many times does the most frequent number appear in the map spreadsheet? Group by, to call function count and -2. Sort order, yes. Okay. 81 times, and it's 8. Okay, now count the cells. Delete the content here. Replace by format. replace it with 1, replace all. Alrighty, no, this hasn't worked for the outer cells because there's a border. This is not good, but let's do this manually because there are different borders for either on the left side, on the right side, above and below. But yeah. And the number of cells is 434. Which is right. Yeah, 1250 points. A little bit around 10 minutes. As I've said, kind of an easy case. Some hiccups here and there with reading. But I think to get to know what you then need to apply in real Excel esports cases, where I have a ton of videos about on my channel, yeah, it's super worth for this. Even some technique like the column number of a reference. You use this so often, so yeah, kind of worth to do this. Also this year, this is kind of unusual to have this as direction given in names. Normally it's given in arrows, but you can work with this as well. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.